Gain compliance through education is the main goal of everything. The job isn't necessarily just to get on to somebody, but it's actually to provide them with the information available so we can gain compliance through that education.
Here, starting here, as you can see, they're marked boat trailer. So the vehicles have to have a boat trailer.
People tend to ask, why do we have to have a permit? And if so, the vaccination records for the animal are on file. Deal with everything from driving on the beach to vendor violations, checking and verifying vendors at several locations for bonfires and special events, making sure the proper permits were in place, making sure they have insurance on file, a valid vending permit, verifying they are in compliance. Glass is a major issue down here. Stopping, explaining why the violation is a violation. We tend to educate, have them remove the glass, explain to them why it's an issue, gain compliance pretty quickly from everybody just not realizing that that was actually a violation.